Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel.
This is a quick one. I just want to give you an update of how our Isese Yoruba is being accepted globally. There is a video I want to share with you. In the video, you will see how Brazilians colorfully celebrate our Isese Yoruba. So, I'm happy that our Isese Yoruba is being accepted globally. You see, so when it happens like this, it's a clear indication that what we have as Yoruba is original. It's original, so we should all embrace it and make it colorfully and make it colorful, just like the way Brazilians, Cuba, and the rest like that do. So there's this video. It's how Brazilians celebrate Ogun. This time around is Ogun celebration. You will see in the video how they dance and the colorful attire, Yoruba attire they are wearing. So let me show you the video while you see for yourself.
Ogun Lakaaye.
Welcome back. I hope you saw how Ogun Lakaaye is being celebrated in Brazil. And I hope you were able to see the colorful attire these Brazilians are wearing. Now, what I want you guys to understand is that we Yorubas, I observe that some of us are ashamed of our culture, traditions, and our religion. One of our Orisha that Brazilian celebrated in that video, which is Ogun, is a very powerful Orisha. And he is our ancestor. He is one of our ancestors. So that we should honor and respect, and at the same time celebrate, just as what you saw in the video. So I'm very happy that our Isese Yoruba is global now, so it's been accepted internationally. So gradually the religion will spread all over the world. It's original.
It's perfect. It's our heritage. It's our tradition. And it's our everything. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe Yoruba is real.
Ogun Lakaaye.
Your ancestral faith is the best for you. Our Orishas were sent by Olodumare to solve our problems in life. Disengaging yourself from the Orishas is like taking away the solution to whatever challenges you might be going through by yourself.
So let us embrace our Ìṣẹ̀ṣe. Let us promote it. It's our own. It's our heritage. And it's our hope. Thank you. And see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.